Design, quality, performance. Maxon.
This is the Maxon C2 series liftgate. I'm going to demonstrate the operation. First, you come up to the control switch, you press this button, and then you press this button 2 times to unlock the switch. Then you undo these side lashes from both sides. You pull it out, rotate it out of the way. Platform just opens. And you can raise and lower the liftgate as usual. To store the liftgate, you push the platform back into its position and latch both latches back to where they were, over top of the pin. And then you can press the power button to deactivate the switch, and you're done.
Design, quality, performance. Maxon, the leader in liftgates.